Excuse my French for cussing a lot, but yeah, we're starting the second semester of my third year. This is the cologne we're gonna be putting on. This is a lip balm that I took from my sister. Yeah, this is my favorite actually. And I think that's it. Like, if I can show you guys, we got this for the drip. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but yeah, these are the Cactus Jack. I think it's here, Cactus Jack something. Yeah, this collab between Cactus Jack, Travis Scott, and Nike, I guess. And yeah, we're gonna be putting on that. I can see it there. That's what we're gonna be putting on. So they're gonna be rocking, and yeah, it's gonna go with that. Feel me? So that's literally it. Like, I think you guys have seen this cloth a lot of times, so it's not a problem at all. And that is it. Let me see what else we're gonna bring along. Yeah, we're gonna bring this bag. So you guys have seen this bag a million times. If you know me, so that's it. That's all I'm taking the unit. And I'll probably go with my sheds also. Yeah, I guess I'll be taking the sheds. And I'll probably take this washout book just to jot down notes if I would need to, if there's anything that would require me to do that. I'm also gonna take this as well because what I'm using right now is the brown one that you guys know, but it gets heavier sometimes, so I'd like to just interchange between the two. And yeah, my wallet, you guys have seen this in my, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but yeah, you got some money, just going to college. And I guess that's it. What else should I show y'all? I got this little thing here that you can see. It's just like for the hands, it just makes the hands smell good. It's the oil, it's a perfumed oil. It's just for the hands, and obviously, bro, you don't want to smell trash. All right. So I was supposed to take my tank scraper. I don't think I'll need it, but I don't even know if I'll need this as well. So I'll probably leave this because I'm taking this one. So yeah. So I guess that's it. What else? I'll probably take this with me as well, just for like, yeah. This was my table. It's always disorganized and all that. So we got this. This is just like for cleaning anything, okay? If like the computer's dirty, the screen is dirty, or my glasses or whatever. And this is for my face. So I guess that is all that I'll be taking with me to college. Yep. So I guess that's it though. Like, yo, y'all shouldn't forget gum though, because sometimes y'all be stinking. Like, also you people, your mouth will stink. So you gotta take this so your breath doesn't stink bad. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, so on a good day, let's say if I'll be filming, I'll probably take this, but I'm not gonna be filming with them today, so I don't really need them. I'll need the tripod. I'll take this tripod if I'll be filming, but it's a foldable tripod. It goes down like it becomes too small, so it can fit in my bag, but I'm not really gonna need it today. Also, I'm undecided between these two, this or this. Or maybe I don't need it at all. You feel me? I'll see what to do with it. Because, yeah, most people think I'm bald because I like to put on caps. I'm not bald, brothers. I'm not bald, okay? I just like caps. I used to put on caps since I was a little kid. So I don't think I'll need this because my fingers are good. You feel me? They're not that bad. Except I injured myself when I woke up in the morning. Like I was trying to fix something. I don't think you guys, let me show you guys what I was trying to fix, and then I ended up scrapping myself. So as you guys can see, this is I think back in stock, or how you call these shoes. I don't know if it's back in stock, whatever. So what happened is that the rat, bro, I don't know if it's a rat or something. I found this place like this, right? On actual this one. I found it like here. Hold on, just like that. Then I was like, nah, instead of them just being like this, it was only this one. So I had to just manually do this as well. So it can look like it's a style, but it's not a style, You gotta do what you gotta do. So in the process, I ended up injuring myself, but I don't think you guys can see it though. Yeah, something like that. But it's cool though. You feel me? So I think that's all I'll be taking with me to college. And yeah, you guys just come along with me and see how the day is going to be. So that's the first day of the second semester of third year. That's a mouthful. Anyways, let me put them on real quick, and then.
My mother said I'm too romantic. She said you're dancing in the movie. I almost started to believe her. Then I saw you and I knew. Maybe it's cause I got a little bit older. Maybe it's all that I've been through. I'd like to think it's how you lean on my shoulder, and now I see myself with you. I don't say a word, but still you take my breath, and still the things I know. There you go, saving me from all of the cold.
Crazy how my bug just decided to give up on me, bro. Like the bug is even older. I need to get a new one. But I like it, bro. It just looks good. Yeah, it decided to give up on me, bro. I have to just improvise, and I'll probably use this old bag of mine. It's just way too bulky, bro, and it's just so annoying. But what can I do, bro? Let me just use it. Y'all see that building right there? That's where my class is at. Yeah, that's the place for computer science. That faculty right there, I think is, I forgot the name, but yeah, this fact too is something for law and all that. Besides for IR, international relations and all that. So my class is that side. I'm not going to class right now. I'm already late, so I'll go in like 30 minutes because 10:30 that's when we shall be out for break, or 10:40. So I'm just chilling in the compound. So I'm late, bro. Last thing I want to do is just go to class and everybody's already there. It just looks stupid, you know. But yeah, I feel like when the teacher's already there, it's just weird. So I'm right now in the stadium. I can see some people playing, bro. What they're doing down there. This is like it's not the stadium, but it's a pitch, I think. Football pitch. So yeah, let's get it. Bro, this country is beautiful. I can't even lie to you, boys. Like, oh my goodness. Like, all the greens in this country, like, the place is totally green and clean. Like, you know what it means? Like, this is college, bro. So, okay, so I understand, like, colleges be clean and stuff, but trust me, bro, this country is clean as hell. All right, even the rural areas is super good. You understand? Obviously, a rural area will always be a rural area, but yeah, I'm just doing some side quests, my boys. Don't mind me. I'll head to my section in a minute. I'm just touring the school for now, so Matter of fact, let me just head to my section. Let me see what's going on that side because I don't even know where my class is at. So
My mother said I'm too romantic. She said we're dancing in the movies. I almost started to believe her. Then I
yeah,
saw you
bro,
and I
this
knew
leaf just fell down right in front of me. I
I'm
guess
a
it's a
little
blessing.
bit older.
By the way, I just met my classmate right now, and yeah,
Lean on my
at
shoulder.
least I'm not the only one who's late. But he's also not gonna go to class at this time, so he said he'll be loitering outside until when it's like 10:30. So it's currently 10:18. So in 12 minutes I'll be going to class. But I think I'll be headed to the restaurant or the canteen. That place right there. That's where they sell food and stuff. So I think I'll just go there and just eat some snack and watch some YouTube videos. I'm waiting for time. So I don't want to be loitering outside. Yeah, brother, school looks cool, bro. It's good coming back. Alright, so this is like, I think this is the canteen. That's where people eat, and that's like the hostels. This is like the girls section, and then the boys section is over there. I think, or maybe this is the boys section, the girls section. I don't know because I'm not in boarding, so I'm not sure. Let's go. Uh-huh, yeah. Um, let's see what's going on. Um, Boys, yeah, see the snacks, bro. So the pour in my drink. Stop playing with it. Yeah, this is some cool snacks, bro. I'll be taking these snacks as I'm waiting for like time. It's almost like 8 minutes for me to go to class. All right, thank you. Yeah. Not much, boys. I'm so stupid because I bought this drink earlier and I didn't even know that I bought it. Maybe because I just came and bought this again. I should have just bought this stuff and then I think taking it with that. But it's okay. I'll just leave this for like lunch when I'm hungry, you know? And then this will just be my breakfast. Yeah, class, I'll be headed to class in like 5 minutes. So I gotta finish this and then I can go to class. Look at the environment. Canteen is all nice. Yeah, bro. That's the school for you, my G. Let's get it. Bro, the place started to get a little noisy. As you can see, it's a million people in here. But yeah, it is what it is. Y'all have a test. Alright, that's gonna be it. Man. Let me enjoy my breakfast. And I'm gonna have to pour the sugar in here and stuff. So let's go. Look, boys, I'm not gonna lie. The place is getting full. But I changed my mind, boys. And yeah, I'm gonna have to be coding because we're going back to class at 11. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, we're going back to class at 11. So that means I still have time to code. You feel me? I'm just gonna have to turn this to dark. I mean light mode because dark mode is so glossy that I can see myself through the screen. So let me just turn it to like light mode, and also let me. I think I can just remove true tone for now. Let me just remove true tone. You see, it just looks so beautiful. And yeah, so this is what I worked on yesterday, data bucket. This is a project requirement document. And yeah, yesterday I started working on the authentication. I don't think you guys can see it, but yeah, matter of fact, let me change the lens to, I think the 1x zoom looks cleaner. So you guys can see, I started working on the authentication and account management. and I'll be headed to browsing and bit discovery. I think tomorrow. Yeah, but for today, this is what I'll be working on: authentication and account management. Mhm. Yeah, there are a gazillion people here. It's crazy. Mhm. 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 Chilling, huh? Nazuna? Our boys are great. We're headed back home now, man. God damn. It's 3 p.m., bro. Just gotta go cold at home and chill. Tesla. It's a nice Tesla Y model.